Hey y'all, welcome back to the Sawmill. It's been a little while since we have put out a video, but it has been a busy, crazy month of October for us. We have a video coming out tomorrow that will explain everything, but we've upgraded some of our stuff and added some equipment to the sawmill. Probably one of my least, or not least, but what I like the most is this dump trailer. Where we were at, we can't burn the sawdust or the little pieces of wood. So we bought a dump trailer, and now I don't have to take the sawdust and dispose of it. So we can just put it in here and then we'll take it to the dump. So I'm excited about that. And another piece of equipment, we upgraded our tractor. We got the Massey Ferguson 2605H. We retired the other tractor that we had and bought this one. And Wesley put the little saw haul holder on the side. Makes it a lot easier for him, so I don't have to follow behind him on the side-by-side across the street, so that he can cut the poles the length that he needs to, or whatever he may need a chainsaw for. What else have we upgraded? Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Our barn is a total wreck right now. We have everything out of place. But we are expanding my office. I'm going from a 10 by 10 to a 10 by 30. We have ordered a Thunder Laser printer cutter. I don't guess it's a printer, it's a cutter. The CO2, I'll be able to upgrade my signs that I do. We'll be able to do leather patches for hats, engrave Yeti cups, tumblers, whatever. The possibilities are just endless, so I'm pretty excited about that. So y'all stay tuned. We'll be working on this as well, and you never know what you might see, so y'all just keep watching. If y'all like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you on the next one.